nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ o mẹ́wàá sì ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ikú Mohbad yìí ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ wò ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ pressure ló ti ń lọ lábẹ́nú fáwọn nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ sì làwọn míì ti ń receive threat gbogbo àwọn tó dó lórí justice fún Mohbad bí àwọn Yèyé Kúdí wọ́n receive threat lọ́tún lọ́sì àmọ́ àwa mọ̀ dájú wípé ṣe Ọlọ́run tó lágbára ju gbogbo ẹ̀dá lọ á bá wa tú gbogbo àṣírí tó wà lábẹ́ ikú tó pa Mohbad yìí ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi láìpẹ́ yìí la rí gbọ́ wípé Wunmi ju write up kan síta tó ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa nǹkan tó pa Mohbad ṣé wá rí nínú update nínú write up yẹn ló ti sọ àwọn nǹkan kan tó ta bá bàbá Mohbad wọ́n sì ní tọmọdé bá gbọ́ngbọ́n kúkú ìyá rẹ̀ náà mọ̀ gbọ́ngbọ́n sísìn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni òun ló fà á tí bàbá Mohbad náà ṣe wá fún Wunmi lésì padà báyìí response yẹn wà ń bí because Yèyé Kúdí ti ṣe analysis response yẹn in fact ẹ máa gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu publicity manager bàbá Mohbad ìyẹn K-Crown òun náà bá Yèyé Kúdí sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n jọjọ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa response bàbá Mohbad tí wọ́n fi síta báyìí. ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa fún ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ Digi Naija Television rèé o ẹ má gbàgbé láti tẹ subscribe button tó wà lábẹ́ fídíò yìí ẹ láìkí fídíò wa gbogbo èrò ọkàn tí yín náà máa fi sí comment kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ máa share fídíò yìí kó máa lọ fàáfàá káàkiri ẹ ṣe lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ èyí tó gbé fídíò Yèyé Kúdí analysis Yèyé Kúdí lórí response bàbá Mohbad yẹn wọlé fún yín nǹkan kan ni mo fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ gbogbo wa because nǹkan kan ò tí ì yé àwa kan ó náà sì ní wípé kí ni reason tí Wunmi fi ń cover up fún àwọn tó ṣekú pa Mohbad àwọn yẹn lágbára ju lọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà lọ ni àbọ̀ lágbára jọ náà lọ tó fi ṣe wípé Wunmi ò lè lanu ẹ̀ láti sọ fún wa pé òkè àwọn yìí gangan ló wà responsible o because gbogbo write up tó ń kọ síta ó ń tún wọ́n fẹ́ máa jọ bí gbà pé ó ń cover up fáwọn people ó ń cover up fún àwọn kan ni bàbá tó sì ẹni tó sì bímọ ò lè dákẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn wípé òun kàn forgive everything pé kinní kan bàbá tó lọ mọ́ lòun ṣàfẹ́ mọ ẹni tí ó pa ọmọ òun gangan ni pé tó bá ti ready láti sọ̀rọ̀ àbùṣe ti bùṣe ẹ wo ẹ̀yin èèyàn má tẹ̀ jẹ́ kí n bòpò lọlé olóró jù ẹ jẹ́ n gbé fọ́nrán fídíò Yèyé Kúdí wọlé kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ gbogbo analysis tí wọ́n ṣe pẹ̀lú publicity manager bàbá Mohbad.
It says, I am curious about what you know, Wunmi Aloba. That's what was sent out. Oh, and it was Baba, signed for Baba, you know. It is shameful, a disgrace, and an embarrassment for you as a wife to continually seek public sympathy and use emotional blackmail on me as a father. The entire family of Aloba and the well-meaning public on the case of my son, whom to date no one knows what and who took his life in his prime. I want to ask you, if you were in my son's shoes, would your family not ask him questions? Would your family not ask him questions? Who are they that want to silence you about telling me what happened to the son I suffered to raise when no one was there? Even if we have our differences, does the buy of my son worth it? A whole life. Okay, I have to put this here. You people are not tapping, no? Because this is how you people get carried away on this thing. Ẹ̀yin tí kíní nìyẹn, ẹ̀yin TikTokers. This is how you people will be looking at me. If it goes off, God is my witness, I'm going to relax. Because the message, the person that spoke to me today has made me, since afternoon, I was shivering because I'm in shock. So I will just stand up and go to bed. Ọlọ́run rí inú. Àwọn pastor ni mo fẹ́ sọ. Ọ̀rọ̀ pastor àpapà ni mo fẹ́ sọ. I just want you people to be aware of this. Then allow Prince Crown and the Bossman to talk. Then I want to talk about pastor. The case that happened in Apapa. Yeah, but it tap. I will just go. Maybe concentrate on Facebook people after that. For mo fẹ́ tètè, èmi náà, mo fẹ́ tètè lọ bọ́ sórí bed. I have many things to do with my life and time. So, as I was saying, the man then said, I want to ask you, if you were in my son's shoes, would your family not ask him questions? Who are they that want to silence you about telling me what happened to the son I suffered to raise when no one was there? Then he continued by saying, even if we had our differences, does the pie of my son worth it? A whole life and you are playing around like a game. Whatever name your son, my grandson, is being called, sticks on me, because he still answers the name Liam Aloba, not Liam Adebanjo. Everything you are saying, they make my son Ileri Oluwa Oladimeji Aloba feel is what you are making Liam go through because of your irresponsible behavior. You said, I know a lot, so I am curious. Because this place, let me reread it. It still goes back to what Sahara Desert Bikini reporter wrote. He said, whatever name your son, my grandson, is being called, sticks on me, because he still answers the name Liam Aloba, not Liam Adebanjo. Everything they, in quotes, make my son Ileri Oluwa Oladimeji Aloba feel is what you are making Liam go through because of your irresponsible behavior. You said, I know a lot, and that's what Sahara brought out too. So I'm confused. So Baba says, I am curious. You had the opportunity at the coroner inquest to say everything you know. I am asking, who and what stops you from saying what you know to your father-in-law and the well-meaning public? He's asking his daughter-in-law. That's what he said. Thank God you said, until your husband's demise. Thank God you said there has never been any doubt or discussion about Liam's paternity until your husband's demise. Why then did you tell me to do DNA for my son? Okay, you know, the Wunmi said, through the lawyer, I think, they said Baba should go and do DNA for his son. That, you know, he was told that, you know, that was what caused the final anger now. When the lawyer told him that he should go and do DNA for his son, if Mohbad is true. And you understand, and you know, that happened. Baba is asking him, thank God you said there has never been any doubt or discussion about Liam's paternity until your husband's demise. Why then did you tell me to do DNA for my son? Was there any time my late son told you I was not his father? Can you tell him if he was still alive? As in, can Wunmi say that? Baba ẹ lọ ṣe DNA fọ́mọ yín, assuming pé ọmọ òun wà láyé. You disrespected him even till death by calling him I don't want to talk about call this not to TikTok. Only slam. Sorry, Facebook ni mo fe. Mi ò mọ̀ ito. TikTok ilé sọ pé ọmọ àlè òun ló kọ sí báyìí. You disrespected him even till death by calling him a omo ale, an omo ale. So let this be the very last time you dent my image and accuse me of soliciting funds. How much have you given me since my late son died? When governor, other celebrities gave you money, did I insult you or did you give me a cover from it? Just the way those who gave you money did with their discretion. The same way God has shown me mercy through well-meaning people in these hard times. And let me clear this. I have never sent anyone to let me clear this. See what he said. I have never sent anyone to be you, to agbabola you. I don't know what to say because TikTok is keeping me miserable. TikTok is keeping me miserable. If you see I can start, TikTok they bully me. I don't kuku talk already. I don't know when it come off of my mouth. I have never sent anyone to Chetimo. Kini con you, be you. Rather, you are doing all you can to silence those seeking justice for my late son. People who take to your side have been circulating my pictures and some others subjecting them to public ridicule. Wunmi, I challenge you to tell the world what you know about my son's spy. And I want the world to know that until you tell me who and what spied my son, no one is safe with you. So the publicist sent this out. Prince K Crown for Joseph Aloba Baba Mohbad. And the publicist is here. Prince K Crown. So sorry, please. I am sorry. Let me just let's hear from you regarding this let's hear from you regarding this what will I call it? A response or a what?
Yeah, a response, a rejoinder,
a
response.
Okay. Yeah.
Anyone?
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Yeye.
You're very welcome.
And I want to believe that what has been put out there is also the mind of everyone. When everyone's mind is one, then it means whatever thing we are saying is also one. So I believe that this is the mind of everyone, and this is also the mind of Baba, because the absence of answers to a situation like this is making everybody curious. We are all curious about knowing all of these things. We want to know. If it's possible to go to, I'm sure people must have even gone to God. Even Baba himself must have gone to God to show him what happened. So it's out of curiosity that we all want to know all of this thing that is happening. And like I rightly put, or like I put down there, that when she says that what they made in her own post, she said they are making her to go through. They are trying to silence her. They are trying to do this to her, and self-esteem.
Sorry, before anything, people are here saying, Prince K Crown, kudos to you on this. Some people are saying excellent. So they are very happy with the response you Baba have. They are very happy with the response. They feel, I think they are just saying, Baba, well done, good of you. You need a good job, So just so you know, go ahead, please.
Thank you very much. So so when she put it out there that that they are making Liam, they are making the bullying Mohbad till they silence him. They don't want that.
They don't use till pie because of TikTok. Till pie.
Yeah, sorry, man. So, it's also the same thing that she herself is doing to the boy, because the boy himself will lack self-esteem. He will not be able to talk. He will not be able to go out. He will be scared. And the reason why the boy will be scared is not because someone is trying to do anything to him. It's just the fact that the mother has not come out to put an end. She's the only one that can put an end to all of this thing that is happening.
Okay, you mean most mom?
Once she talks.
Okay, do you mean most mom?
No, Wunmi.
Oh, why did you say the mother? I don't get you. Please come again. I'm lost.
I'm talking about Liam now.
Oh.
I said when so she's the one, is the woman that can come out to put an end to all of these mysteries that is happening around. And the thing that she doesn't know is that in as much as people are encouraging her that she owes no one explanation, she owes Liam an explanation. Because the boy will grow up to ask questions. And when the boy starts asking questions, what would you tell him? Would you tell your son that they were bullying you? You will tell your son that they don't want you to talk? Till then. So, like I said, I believe it's just the thought of Baba and the thought of the well-meaning people. Because she has made it like if it's a game that everyone is playing. It's as if it's a game and we are ready for business. When she said that Baba Mohbad, was instead of him to come and seek court order for DNA, he has been going about seeking for funds. She doesn't understand that God does not leave his own. God does not leave his own. One way or the other, somebody will still come for true help. God will still send someone to Baba Mohbad. And God has been doing it, and he will continue to do it. And I can say it, that even after this case is being solved, there will be somebody that God will see said to touch the life of Baba.
Amen.
Yes, somebody will still come back and say, Baba, I want to take care of you. I want to do this for you. I want to build a house for you. People are watching. People might not decide to do it now. People might not decide to do it now. So what is being sent out there is just also for her to understand that, the mistake she's making is far-fetched, because it's not something that she will recover easily at the end of the day. So in the case whereby she's saying that Liam is Liam Aloba, not Liam Adebayo. Yeah. So whatever thing whatever that name Aloba is still, going through, is still a stigma to Baba Mohbad. Because when you mention Aloba, the first thing that will come to your mind is Baba Mohbad, not even Liam. But when you say Liam Aloba, whenever Liam goes anywhere and say, my name is Liam Aloba, it's the grandfather's name, Baba Mohbad's name, that rings the bell. Before even Mohbad himself.
That's right.
So the stigma is still on the man. No matter how, the stigma is still on the man.
Anything Aloba is on him.
It's on him.
Yeah, true. It's true.
So, the final thing I would just say is this, that, we are ready for her. We are ready. If she wants to talk today, we are ready.
Okay.
If she doesn't want to talk today, we are ready. Either you talk, you are not talk, we are ready. So, all the public sympathy, and like I said in the last sentence,
let me open it.
That sentence is just to make her understand that wherever she runs to, wherever where she seeks asylum to, nobody is safe with her. Because you that know what happened to your husband and you refuse to talk, then I'm not safe with you. That means if anything happens to me, when you you will keep everybody you will keep my family in the dark.
Yeah.
Or probably you are even the one that do it and you don't want to talk. So nobody is safe. So until she comes out and talk, then and clears the air.